So I'm not going to waste any time. You click this video because you want to feel better. In today's video, I'm going to go over an easy massage that's going to help not only make you feel better, it's going to start stimulating areas of the body to perform better. Not only better blood pressure, better blood flow. It's going to help clarity in the mind and the head. It's going to reduce that brain fog. And it's something that a lot of you have probably seen, but didn't know exactly why or how does this work. So what we're going to do is we're going to locate a section of our ear, and it's called the concha, and it's right on the inner part right here, right as you start to go inside the ear canal, and it's in this little gaping part right here. What we're going to do is we're going to massage that area of the ear, and it's also called the auricular massage. And what we're going to do is we're going to rotate our finger inside of that little spot right there, right as you start to feel the inner part of the ear canal, and we're going to massage that area. Once you know you found the right area is because once you put your finger in there, you'll notice it kind of hooks to the inner part of the ear. So right here where the cartilage is of the ear, it starts to hook it inside. You want to massage that area right there, okay? So you want to get in there and you want to do circular motions. Now you want to do this for about 30 seconds and just massage right inside. And what I always do is I kind of, as I'm massaging, I kind of act like I'm going inside the ear, but not too far, of course, not way inside the ear, but you want to kind of go in a, I'm going inside the ear motion, but come back out, okay? So you want to just kind of rotate inside. What that does is you're stimulating the concha. It starts to give you a sense of clarity. It starts to give you this. So what that does is it starts to reduce the inflammation. And why does it reduce the inflammation? Is it starts to bring more blood to that area. It starts to massage the blood back into a good motion. Okay, a lot of times when we have ear problems, it's lack of blood flow. So by massaging that region, you're going to add more blood flow. It's going to detoxify because of that. You're going to start noticing a drop of anxiety. You're going to start feeling a little bit more clarity in your head and your ears. A lot of you are dealing with brain fog. You're trying to figure out why is this stuff happening. Massaging that area is going to help stimulate the vagus nerve. It's going to start helping you find a little bit more of a sense of like clarity in your ears, but also you just start to feel this looseness now in your brain. So massaging this area has been proven by many practitioners, many people across the world. And it's a very easy relaxation technique that has helped many people get back on their feet. You don't hear a lot about this, but remember, it's basic. And when anytime something's basic, you don't know about it. Why? Because our system is designed to complicate things. Say it how you want. It's the way it is. We complicate a lot of things that are right in front of us, and it's very simple to find that. So just put your finger in there, massage, massage, massage. Do both ears. I focused a lot on the left side because the left side is where I suffered the most. Didn't have any problems really with my right, mostly my left side. So I kind of rotate, go back 30 seconds again, find that section, do the little auricular massage motions to the concha there. And you'll start to notice right away, I start to feel like my eyes are opening up. You start to feel like even your neck is loosening up. All because of lack of blood flow. It's stimulating those nerves. There's nerves running through our entire body. And if you can find the right section there, you find the right region to massage, you'll start bringing stimulation to that area. It's going to start enhancing the body in general. It's going to start enhancing your mood. You're going to start feeling a little lighter on your feet. And it's hard to believe that a section as small as an ear can enhance and improve the entire bodily function. So do that for about 2 to 3 times per week, about 30 seconds each time. You can even do it a couple times a day. Do it until you start to notice those quick changes. You'll start to notice, this is going to give you changes pretty quick. You should notice right away how it's starting to make you feel, but do it consistently. Remember, I say that word in every video almost when I'm doing these massage techniques, because I want all of you to understand it's not a one-stop shop where you just go in, do something, and you never go back to it again, or you don't go back to it often enough. You got to do this consistently. Your body has to adapt to the new change here, the new efforts that you're executing. Do this often, you'll feel the benefits, I guarantee it. And if you don't do it and you don't feel it right away, it just means you need more time. You need to feel this sensation. Okay, you can do both ears at the same time. do this, and I think a lot of you will feel benefits from this. Leave comments in the video if you felt anything different, if you start to feel a little more clarity. If it helped you, please let me know in the video there. I took an assessment of a lot of you. I've written back to a lot of you. I've gotten back to you. I've created some health plans for those that have left comments in the assessment. I will leave that link in the description as well. And I'm just really floored how a lot of you are dealing with anxiety. No one said no to dealing with stress and anxiety, and I think this is a good start. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next video.